Hi everyone, today we're going to talk about avian flu, which is also known as bird flu, avian influenza, and influenza A. Avian flu is a pathogenic viral infection that normally affects wild aquatic birds, domestic poultry, other birds, animal species, and rarely human. Avian flu is also known as H5N1, which contains 5-hemagglutinin and 1 neuraminidase enzyme on the surface, which is illustrated. The three types of influenza can be distinguished from each other due to the presence of two proteins on the surface of the virus. To demonstrate the proteins, one has a pointy structure representing neuraminidase, whereas the bulb structure indicates hemagglutinin. Eduardo Parásito first recorded fowl plague in 1878 as a contagious poultry disease related to high mortality. The first human case was documented in Hong Kong. Since then, it was widely spread to 15 countries, causing poultry infection and many human deaths, which impacted on livelihood, economy, and international trade.
Now we'll be moving on to modes of transmission. The avian flu is transferred through direct or close contact with an infected bird, either by mucus, saliva, or feces. Evidence was traced back to farmers who claimed chicken coops with unknown infectious birds. Modes of human transmission occurred through the mouth and nostrils during the handling of feces. In humans, the symptoms vary from mild to severe. Symptoms for the avian flu include fever, cough, sore throat, muscle ache, and headache, which lead to lower respiratory diseases, such as pneumonia. Severe respiratory problems include difficulty breathing, shortness of breath, multi-organ failure, and neurological changes which lead to death.
Another prevention is strictly enforcing biosecurity and infection regulations on employees working with poultry, so hand hygiene is heavily noted.
Antiviral drugs such as oseltamivir, perimivir, and zanamivir can be used to treat infections because the virus is sensitive to them. Mutations continuously occur, causing antiviral resistance, which is why scientists are still developing new generation of drugs. If the virus H5N1 starts to proliferate among humans, the United States government is ready with a stockpile of H5N1 vaccines.
We hope you gained much knowledge about avian flu. Thank you for listening.